The hard-working ant also gets a chapter named after it, and it's part of the story of Prophet Suleiman, who was gifted with the ability to speak and understand the language of animals, birds, and insects. As told in the verses of the Quran, one of Prophet Suleiman's stories tells of his encounter with the smallest of creatures, the ant.
حتى إذا أتوا على واد النمل قالت نملة يا أيها النمل ادخلوا مساكنكم لا يحطمنكم سليمان وجنوده وهم لا يشعرون.
Until, when they came up to the valley of ants, an ant said, "O you ants, go into your dwellings, so that Suleiman and his soldiers would definitely not crush you, while they are not aware."
فتبسم ضاحكا من قولها وقال رب أوزعني أن أشكر نعمتك التي أنعمت علي وعلى والدي وأن أعمل صالحا ترضاه وأدخلني برحمتك في عبادك الصالحين.
So Suleiman smiled in amusement at her words and prayed, "My Lord, inspire me to always be thankful for your favors, which you have blessed me and my parents with, and to do good deeds that please you. Admit me, by your mercy, into the company of your righteous servants." Prophet Suleiman couldn't hold back a smile as he heard the ant talk, and he thanked the Almighty for the many favors bestowed upon him, including his ability to understand and avoid trampling over the homes of the ants. Have you ever stopped to wonder why, despite their small size, ants have been able to survive and thrive for millions of years? From the thousands of known species of ants to their remarkable capabilities, there is so much to discover about these amazing creatures. Before we continue our topic, it is a humble request to please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more great content just like this. Your support means a lot to me and helps me to continue creating and sharing valuable content with you. Ants are one of the most successful and abundant groups of insects on Earth, with more than 12,000 known species found in almost every habitat. Ants are incredibly and highly socialized insects that lives in developed and highly organized colonies. These colonies are divided into three distinct castes: the queen, the workers, and the soldiers. These colonies can range in size from just a few hundred individuals to millions of ants. Each colony has a hierarchical structure, with the division of labor among the workers, who are usually all female. There are also reproductive individuals, known as queens, and males, which play specific roles within the colony. The primary role of the queen ant is to reproduce and lay eggs. In most ant species, there is only one queen per colony, although some species have multiple queens. The queen is larger than other ants and can live for several years, while the workers and male have shorter lifespan. The soldiers are responsible for the defense of the colony and can be identified by their large heads and powerful mandibles. The workers are responsible for taking care of the young, foraging for food, and maintaining the nest or colony. They have a variety of tasks within the colony and can specialize in certain roles, such as nest maintenance or foraging. Males, also known as drones, are present only during the breeding season, and their primary function is to mate with queens from other colonies. After mating, the males die and the queens return to the nest to lay their eggs. Ants colonies can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and even in urban areas. They are known for their strong work ethics and ability to work together as team to accomplish tasks. Structure of the nests depends on the species of ants, but most nests have a similar basic structure. At the center of the nest is the queen's chamber, where the queen ant resides and lays her eggs. The eggs hatch into larvae which are cared for by the worker ants. They spin a cocoon and emerges as adult ants. The nest also has chambers for storing food, as well as chambers for the workers to sleep and rest. In some species, there may be separate chambers for the males and queens. The outer structure of the nest is often made of dirt or clay and is shaped to fit the needs of the specific species of ants. For example, some ants' nests are underground and have tunnels leading to the chamber, while others are built above the ground and have multiple levels. Ants are highly socialized insects that have several ways of communicating with each other, with thousands or even millions of ants living in a single colony. It is important that these insects can quickly communicate essential information, such as where the next meal is located or if there is an intruder coming inside the nest. Unlike humans, ants don't have the ability to speak, so they must communicate in other ways. So how do ants communicate? The most important way that ants communicate with other colony members is through a unique chemical called pheromones. Using their antenna to smell the pheromones, ants can communicate everything from colony activity to where food is located. In addition to helping them smell, ants also use their antenna to touch each other as a way to communicate. Some ants also use their front legs, called forelegs, along with their antenna when contacting each other. Ants also combine pheromones and touch with unique body languages, such as raising their abdomen in the air to communicate. Similar examples of the human body language signals include giving someone a thumb up or nodding your head. Some species of ants make noises to communicate with each other. Depending on the specifiers, the sounds can mean a variety of things like calling for help or to attract a potential mate. Trophallaxis, or sharing food via mouth to mouth, is a common way for social insects like bees, termites, and ants to communicate. For ants, trophallaxis can be a way for colony members to share foods, spread important information, and help them separate nest mates from outsiders. Ants are amazing creatures that uses a variety of strategies to communicate with each other. From pheromones to body language and even sounds, ants uses a variety of methods to ensure they are communicating with their nest mates. In addition to their social behaviors, ants are also known for their impressive strength and problem-solving abilities. Some species of ants are able to lift and carry objects that are much larger and heavier than themselves, using their powerful jaws and specialized muscles. They can also work together to move and lift even larger objects, such as logs or rocks. Ants have also evolved to be incredibly resilient and have been able to withstand a variety of environmental challenges. They have been known to survive temperatures as low as -75 degrees Celsius and as high as 60 degrees Celsius. They also have some of the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom, enabling them to cut through thick plant material and rip apart their prey. The fascinating world of ants is one that has captivated scientists and people alike for centuries. From their amazing social structures to their incredible abilities, ants have proven to be one of the most resilient and successful species on the planet. So the next time you spot an ant, take a closer look, and you'll be amazed by the fascinating world of ants. I hope you have enjoyed learning more about these amazing insects. Thanks for watching.